Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to buy Telegram stars using Ton. Okay, so Ton is a cryptocurrency, and in this video I will show you guys how you can buy your Telegram stars using the crypto Ton. So without wasting my time, let me go to my browser, okay, because we will be buying the Telegram stars from a platform, okay, and that platform is verified by Telegram itself. So first you will search for fragment.com. okay, so this is the interface of the platform, fragment.com, and you will see this stars in the navigation bar. So we will click on this stars. Okay, so this will appear and they say buy Telegram stars. So top up stars balance for yourself or for your friends and colleagues. And what we have to do now is to connect our Ton wallet. Okay, so you have to get a Ton wallet. I use Ton Keeper. There are so many Ton wallet platform out there that you can use. So you just click on the Ton, connect Ton. Okay, you click on this button and this will appear. Okay, so they say connect your wallet. Okay, so I use the Ton Keeper, so I'll click on this Ton Keeper. Okay, so it will open my Ton Keeper account and I'm asked to connect to fragment.com. okay, so I'll click on connect wallet. And I have successfully connected my Ton Keeper to Fragment. Okay, so let me go back. And you can see when I click on this menu bar, you can see that my Ton is connected. Okay, so what we have to do now is to enter our Telegram username. Okay, because we are buying the Telegram stars for a Telegram account, so we need to input the Telegram username for that account. Okay, so let me go to my Telegram account. Okay, so this is my username. Okay, so copy username. This is my username, the promote USD. Okay, that is my username, so I'll copy the username, then I'll come back to the platform and paste in my username. Okay, so my account will appear. As you can see, this is my account, Same Tech Hub. It's my Telegram account, so it will appear here. Okay, and they say choose quantity of Telegram stars. Okay, so we enter the amount of stars we want to buy. Okay, so it starts from 50 stars to 1 million stars. Okay, so we enter the 50 stars. Okay, so the price of the 50 stars is 0.1171 Ton. Okay, because we are using our crypto Ton to make the payment, so the amount is in Ton. Okay, so 50 stars is 0.1171. okay, 500 stars is 1.1707. okay, so let's click on buy 50 Telegram stars to purchase it. Okay, so this will appear. Do you want to buy 50 Telegram stars for Same Tech Hub? Same Tech Hub will receive a message like this. Okay, so I'll receive a message like this. Okay, so I'll click on buy stars for Same Tech Hub, and it will open my Ton Keeper account to make payment. Okay, okay, so I have successfully bought the 50 Telegram stars. Okay, so let me click on it. Okay, so the recipient is from Fragment. I made payment to Fragment to receive 50 Telegram stars. Okay, so let me go back to the Fragment account, the Fragment website. Okay, so let me click on view transaction history. So this is the transaction history. Okay, and I have bought 50 stars worth of 0.1143 to this user name. Okay, promote USD. That is my Telegram account. Okay, so let me go to my Telegram account to see if it's reflected. Okay, so I'm in my Telegram account right now. This is my Telegram account. Okay, promote USD. Okay, so I have received this notification. Okay, as you can see, Same Tech Hub received 50 stars as a gift. Okay, so I have received the 50 stars that I bought for myself using the Ton. Okay, So if this video helps you to buy stars using your crypto ton, then like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.